Once upon a time, in a faraway village nestled among towering mountains, there lived a young and curious practitioner named Koji. Koji had heard tales of the Zen Harmony, a meditative practice that synchronized breath with movement, allowing one to experience the unity of body, mind, and breath. Intrigued by the stories, Koji decided to seek out a renowned Zen master who resided on the peak of the highest mountain. With determination in his heart, Koji embarked on a journey that would test his endurance and resolve. He climbed steep slopes, crossed treacherous rivers, and traversed dense forests, all in search of the wise Zen master who held the secret to the practice he sought. After many days of arduous travel, Koji finally reached the mountaintop, where he found a serene temple nestled amidst the clouds. The Zen master, an elderly and wise man, greeted Koji with a warm smile and invited him inside. As Koji entered the temple, he noticed a large courtyard adorned with beautiful flowers and flowing streams. The Zen master explained that this was the place where practitioners would engage in the Zen Harmony practice. Koji's eyes widened with anticipation. The Zen master guided Koji to the center of the courtyard and instructed him to take a deep breath. "Inhale," he said, "and as you exhale, move your arms gracefully in a flowing motion." Koji followed the master's guidance, synchronizing his breath with the gentle movements of his arms. With each inhale and exhale, Koji felt a profound sense of calm washing over him. He could feel the unity of his body, mind, and breath, as if they were all working in perfect harmony. The worries and distractions of the world melted away, leaving only the present moment. Time seemed to stand still as Koji continued the practice, his breath and movements intertwining in a delicate dance. He could hear the wind whispering through the trees, the distant sound of a trickling stream, and the rhythmic beating of his own heart. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, as Koji immersed himself in the Zen Harmony practice. With each passing day, his understanding deepened, and his connection to the world grew stronger. The once restless mind became still, and a sense of inner peace enveloped him. One day, as Koji was practicing in the courtyard, a group of villagers gathered to witness the transformative power of the Zen Harmony. They watched in awe as Koji moved with grace and tranquility, his breath guiding every motion. The villagers were inspired by Koji's dedication and the beauty of the practice. They realized that the Zen Harmony was not just a physical exercise, but a path to inner peace and self-discovery. They, too, began to incorporate the practice into their lives, finding solace and tranquility in its embrace. And so, the courtyard of the mountaintop temple became a gathering place for practitioners from far and wide. The Zen Harmony spread across the land, bringing harmony, unity, and a deep sense of serenity to all who embraced it. As for Koji, he continued his journey, sharing the wisdom he had gained from the Zen master. He became a teacher, guiding others on the path to self-discovery and helping them experience the unity of body, mind, and breath. And in the hearts of those who practiced the Zen Harmony, a gentle reminder echoed that true harmony and peace can be found within, by synchronizing breath with movement and embracing the present moment.